Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be all about how to build a regimen for high porosity hair, as you can see from the title. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome. I have fine high porosity hair. And so these are like all the products that I would recommend and that I feel will be good when you are starting out your regimen. So let's just get right into the video. So the first product you want to get when you're building a regimen for high porosity hair is a pre-poo. A pre-poo is basically you're conditioning your hair before you shampoo it so that after you shampoo your hair is not stripped. My favorite pre-poo, as you guys who have been watching me for a really long time already know, is coconut oil. So coconut oil is like one of the best oils to repair damaged hair. And high porosity hair basically is damaged because our cuticles are open, like wide open. But if you don't want to use coconut oil for whatever reason, or maybe you're allergic, then you can try out palm kernel oil or avocado oil. Just any oil that's geared towards damaged hair and repairing. That would be a really good oil to pre-poo it. So moving on, the next type of product that you want in your regimen is a shampoo. You need two types of shampoos in your regimen. You need a moisturizing shampoo and you also need a clarifying shampoo. A moisturizing shampoo can be used weekly to maintain the moisture levels in your hair, and then once a month is when you would go in with your clarifying shampoo to remove all of that excess product buildup. This is the Shea Moisture High Porosity Shampoo, and I'll have all the products listed that I mentioned in this video down below. It's moisturizing. It doesn't leave my hair tangled. It doesn't leave my hair dry. This is like the perfect moisturizing shampoo. Now, a clarifying shampoo that you can try out that's good is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. And this leaves my hair clarified, but without it feeling stripped or without it being tangled. So because I use silicones and waxes on my hair, I actually like to go in once a month with a sulfate shampoo. But this is actually a gentle formula. It's not harsh. It doesn't strip my hair or anything like that. So this is the Afro shampoo for damaged hair. So after shampooing, I go straight into deep conditioning. I feel like on a weekly basis, it would be really good to use a deep conditioner that has the moisture protein balance to make sure that your hair is not super hard from protein or super soft from over moisturizing. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. I recently did a first impression on this, and you guys, for this to be like $7-8, this is amazing. So another one that I highly recommend is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Rehydration Treatment Mask. So this has been like a really good mask for the winter, and I feel like it will be good for like year round just because of how moisturizing it is. Another one that I have that I really like is the Camaro's Naturals Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. This is kind of like the high end versus the ones that I previously told you guys about. Those are like more affordable. So moving on, one essential part of a high porosity naturals regimen is a protein treatment. If you don't do protein, this is probably why you have noticed your hair shedding, breaking, and just not looking its best. This is the Nothing But Intense Healing Mask, and it says that it strengthens and repairs. They're not lying. They're not lying. So moving on, we're going to talk about leave-in conditioners. So a leave-in conditioner is meant to moisturize your hair after you've washed it. It should aid in detangling, give you shine, define your curls. This is the Kinky Curly Not Today. I am obsessed with this leave-in conditioner. And then I have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. So I actually styled my hair this week with this leave-in conditioner. So this is what's in my hair. Also, I got a question about whether it's best to use like a watery leave-in conditioner or a creamy leave-in conditioner, like a hair milk. And you can use either or. This is the Hairdo by Oil Handmade, and this is the Camaro's Naturals Fresh Curl. So these are two creamy products that you could also use as a leave-in conditioner if your hair is thicker and if your hair prefers more creamy products. Now, I actually use these to refresh my hair. So like now that my hair is old, it's day 5, I would refresh with one of these. Just put this on my hand, put it into my hair, and re-moisturize. So that's what I use these for. After your leave-in conditioner, it is very important to follow up with a cream. Just using a leave-in conditioner 9 times out of 10, that's not going to keep our hair moisturized for very long, and it's not going to keep our hair tame. So for twist outs, no surprise, the Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic. This is a thick buttercream product. Smells really nice, and it just has my twist outs looking amazing each time. As for wash and goes, these are my two favorite moisturizers. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, a classic product. A lot of us naturals love this. It's very thick and moisturizing. That one or this one by My Elle Organic. So this is their pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. For wash and goes, I really like this as a moisturizer underneath my gel. This is what that looks like. Oh, it smells so good. One gel that I really like, just have one gel because I don't use gels like that. This is the My Elle Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. So the last type of product that I would recommend that you have in your regimen for high porosity hair is an oil. And this is going to be used as your sealant. My favorite oil that I pretty much use 95% of the time, unless I'm trying something new from a company, is extra virgin olive oil. This has worked wonders for me to seal my hair. You can try jojoba oil if your hair is fine, castor oil if your hair is really thick. So that is it for this video, you guys. These are all the products that I would recommend when you are starting out your regimen for high porosity hair. These are like the basics. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.